Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the top 3 sprinklers in detail briefly. The top 3 sprinkler links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Turbo Oscillation Lawn Sprinkler. Keep your grass growing and your lawn lush and healthy with Sun Joe's Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler. Equipped with 18 clog-resistant nozzles and a powerful turbo drive motor, the SJITLS-18 will make your green turf the envy of your neighbors. Perfect for medium to large YD and gardens, the SJITLS-18 cover up to 500 square, and with its adjustable range and width control and the ability to completely customize spray patterns, you can say goodbye to underwatered lawns. Advantages: leak-resistant connection, turbo drive motor, equipped with 18 clog-resistant nozzles. Number 2. Eden Flex Design Sprinkler. Easy to install design, great for watering the lawn, flower beds, raised gardens, vegetable gardens and more. No tools required. Suits any landscape design or garden shape to fit your watering needs. The Flex Design Sprinkler set includes fully adjustable sprinklers to place where water is needed, includes 4 extensions to increase the watering height and reach over taller plantings. Constructed using high-quality ABS impact-resistant plastic. Each sprinkler covers up to 840 square featuring at 50 psi. When setting them up in series, the coverage will decrease on the subsequent sprinklers as water travels further through the hose. The set offers a combined coverage area up to 1638 square featuring advantages: easy to use, sprinkler risers, any landscape design. Number 3. Grow Green Sprinkler. Give your yard maximum even water sprinkling with 80 psi water pressure, 360-degree rotation, and 32.8 feet spray distance. Adjust the sprinkler nozzles to spray in any direction to customize your watering. The sprinkler base is weighted to keep the unit in place and ensure it doesn't move around. Our sprinklers are made with high-quality ABS plastic and a rust-proof polymer. This durable lawn sprinkler will provide long-lasting, worry-free performance. This water sprinkler is super easy to use and takes seconds to set up. It also uses water conservation technology that delivers an even layer of water without overspraying. These versatile lawn sprinklers can be used as a fun sprinkler set for children to play and cool down in on hot and sunny days. Advantages: durable construction, save time and water, fully adjustable sprinkler, multi-purpose sprinkler.